The underrated notebook quietly replacing laptops. iFlytek AINOTE 2. You're in the meeting, pen hovering, trying to listen and write at the same time. Half the ideas slip away before you can catch them. The rest end up as scattered notes you'll never find again when you actually need them. Everyone nods like this is normal, but you've started to feel the quiet cost. Missed insights, repeated explanations, decisions made on incomplete memory. How much longer are you willing to let good thinking evaporate?
It keeps bleeding out. Hours every week spent recreating what was already said, chasing clarity that should have been automatic. Energy drained on administration instead of creation. Relationships strained because follow-ups are late or vague. Your future self keeps paying for decisions made on half-remembered conversations. You feel it in your shoulders every Sunday night when you realize another week got away from you. This is the slow bleed almost no one admits until it's too late. This is where iFlytek AINOTE 2 enters and everything changes. It simply listens, writes, and thinks with you in real time. That's the entire mechanism. World-class speech recognition, ChatGPT-5, and perfect handwriting conversion working together inside a 4.2 millimeters paper-like notebook. You get instant searchable transcripts while you still write naturally. Audio synced to every stroke, ideas summarized before the meeting ends. Handwriting turned into clean text with one tap. Wait, that's allowed? Yes, and it feels like cheating the first time you use it. I went from frantic note-taker to calm conductor of every conversation. Colleagues now ask me for the recap because mine is always complete, clear, and ready in minutes instead of days. Here's what actually happens. Day 1, you notice conversations land perfectly. By the end of week 1, you've reclaimed 5 to 8 hours that used to disappear into note cleanup. By month 3, you're making sharper decisions because nothing important ever slips through again, and that becomes permanent freedom. Real data shows 97% transcription accuracy across accents and noise. Users report cutting meeting follow-up time by 70%, and top consultants quietly admit this single device raised their effective hourly rate more than any course they ever bought. Compared to regular tablets or paper, there simply is no contest. This is the only tool that captures both the words and the thinking without stealing your attention. I noticed after 3 weeks that I stopped dreading long meetings and started looking forward to them.
You already know the deepest benefit. You finally think at the speed of conversation instead of losing half of it. Acting today means tomorrow's meetings are the last ones you ever scramble through. Link in the description. First one pinned to the top. I'll see you on the other side, where clarity is quiet and automatic.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.